Hello everyone, today we'll start with the topic chemical reactions of amines. So amines are basic in nature. Why? Because they have lone pair of electrons on the nitrogen atom and also due to the plus I effect of alkyl group. Okay, so due to this lone pair of electrons, amines are basic in nature and they act as nucleophile, right? So due to its basic nature, when we react amine with the acid like HCl, then what will be formed? Base reacts with acid to form salt. So salt will be formed like NH3 plus X, that is here Cl negative, right? So this is the salt from the base and acid. We can take another example of aniline, right? So aniline here, NH2 and benzene ring, and you add HCl, so you will get salt, NH3Cl negative. So this is the salt from the aniline. Now if you react this salt form with the base, then what will you get? You will get your parent amine back, right? So the salt formed, that is RNH3 X negative. So this was the salt formed from the amine and the acid, and if you react it with base, strong base, then what you will get? You will get your parent amine back. So you will get what? Your RNH2 amine and water and your X negative, right? So this salt of amine, this is insoluble in organic solvents and soluble in water. So if you want to separate the amines from your non-basic organic compounds, then you can add water and the non-basic organic compounds will not be dissolved, but this compound, this salt will be dissolved. So this way you can separate both of them. Right now we will see what is the concept of Kb and pKb. Okay, so for that you will add amine to water and you will get RNH3, right? So here for example you have amine, you are adding water, so what will you get? You will get RNH3 plus and OH negative. So what will be the Kb? What will be the equilibrium constant first? So equilibrium constant will be the concentration of product of these two, that is RNH3 plus and OH negative concentration divided by concentration of these two, product of concentration of these two. So RNH2 concentration and H2O concentration. So this is the equilibrium constant. Now if we, because the H2O concentration is very, the amount of H2O is very large, and also this concentration of H2O will be held constant, that is it will be equals to 1. So if we shift this to here, if we shift H2O towards here, so you will get K into H2O, right? Now this whole thing K into H2O concentration, this can be said as Kb. So this will be equals to what? This will be equals to Kb. Now what is Kb? Kb is the dissociation constant of base, right? So this is the expression for Kb, and if you want to find out pKb, that is pKb, and what will be it related, how it is related to Kb? It is equals to minus log of Kb. Okay, so if you want to calculate pKb from Kb, you can use this formula. So from these formula you can say that how these are related to basicity of amines. So higher the pkb, higher the kb value, higher will be the basicity of basic nature of amines, and lower the pkb, high will be the basic nature of amine. Why lower the pkb? Because it is related to minus log of kb, right? So these are inversely related, the pkb and kb. So higher the kb, higher the basicity, and lower the pkb, then also higher the basicity of amines. So these were the relation between kb and pkb. Now one more thing, that if you compare ammonia, that is NH3, with your alkyl amine or aliphatic amine, then your aliphatic amine will have the higher basic nature compared to ammonia. Why? Because it has got R group. So R group will give the will possess the plus I effect. So due to the plus I effect, it will give or release electron towards the nitrogen atom, due to which the electron density on nitrogen atom increases, and hence the basic nature also increases of this aliphatic amine. Okay, and if you compare the aromatic amine or aryl amines with the ammonia, that is aryl amine, AR, I am representing this with AR, NH2. So here, because the electron withdrawing nature or resonance effect of this aryl group, this is less basic than ammonia. Okay, because it will pull the electrons towards itself from the nitrogen atom, right? So that's why this is less basic. So this is less basic, then more basic is ammonia, then more basic are aliphatic amine, right? So this was all about the basic nature of amines. Okay, so I hope you have understood today's topic. We will meet in next lecture. Thank you.